Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the echo from OS. Currently, this voice doesn't have echo. Let me turn on the echo. You can feel the echo. Hey friends, this part of the audio has echo. It's really noisy. And when I turn off the setting, it's gone. The reason the echo is I'm using the external microphone, the Blue Yeti. And when I add Blue Yeti, you can see here there's a source Blue Yeti microphone, which appear top audio mixer on the top, and down below there's another one. It's Mac Oxy. When I turn it off, this is the system default. It captures the voice from the system as a backup source. When I turn it off, echo is gone. So when we connect to extra microphone, we need to double check we are on the right source and now external source. Turn it off. It solves the problem. Thanks for watching. See you next time.